Y'all, the next few videos, as you know, is going to be all about Christmas cookies. And I don't know anybody that really doesn't like a cookie. And I received the most interesting cookie recipe in the mail from Vicky Cuba. And it's called Aunt Anne's Glazed Walnut Cookies. And Vicky said, these are the best cookies that my Aunt Anna always made over the holidays and special occasions. She passed away at the age of 99 in 2012. And I'm so glad she shared this recipe so that our family can continue to enjoy these mouth-watering cookies and pass the recipe on to the next generation. So thank you, Vicky, so much, because to me, Christmas is when we're really conscious of thinking about all of our loved ones, the people that we love so much, our friends, and especially the people that we've loved so very much that's passed on. All right, I got a stick of butter. I got 2 eggs. And y'all, these are store-bought eggs. We had to break down and buy eggs. Now, what are my girls doing? What are they not doing? I think I asked y'all in another video if y'all are a chicken lady or a chicken man, if y'all could tell me, are your chickens, do they slow down laying when the weather starts changing? I don't remember, and I've had them for years. Okay, so anyway, I got my 2 eggs. I got my white sugar. I got my dark brown sugar. And again, it's an easy cookie recipe. So I'm just going to cream this. It's about the only thing I need the mixer for, is just creaming the butter and the sugars. And she adds her vanilla along with her evaporated milk at this time. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla. That's one reason I know I'm going to like these cookies. They are flavored. All right, so here we go. Now we have our flour. And I think it's baking soda. Yeah, it's baking soda that we have, that we're going to mix with our flour. And I think it's 2 3/4 cup. Hey, Darlene. So you just want to mix your dry ingredients together. And then one more time, Vicky said, just stir it. Don't even have to mix it. All right, I might just use that. She said, just stir this in, y'all. But I think I'm just going to do this. Make it easy on myself. Yeah, I ain't done with everything. Now, so all we got left to add is our walnuts. And that's a cup of chopped walnuts. What's going to make this cookie so incredible, y'all, is what we're going to do to them after they've baked. We're going to put a special glaze on them. And it sounds like to me that they're going to melt in your mouth. Now, we have to refrigerate this for 1 hour, because you can see it's a very loose, it's almost like cake consistency. So this is going to have to firm up before we can put them on a sheet. Thank you, Therese. So 1 hour, and we will get back with those cookies, y'all. So, y'all, we've got so many cookies to dip up. I am recruiting Teresa and Darlene to dip up my cookies for me. Teaspoonful. Y'all can watch each other's scoops and make sure y'all are in line. All right, now I'm going to take me a little nap. All right, I'm melting 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to brown it. I don't want to burn it because butter does burn easily. So we're just going to get that a little brown. I've got 2 cups of confectionate sugar waiting on me. And I've got 1/4 of a cup of Carnation evaporated milk. Do not confuse that with condensed milk. Yeah, don't confuse it with that. Okie dokie. I'm going to cut that down some. And I'm going to put in our confectionate sugar. I don't know what makes gas stoves do that. I'm going to add our milk. Now you want to, before you put your caramelized icing on top of your cookies, you'll want them to, cool slightly. You don't want to put it on it while they're piping hot. All right, so I'm going, I forgot to turn that eye off. So, looks good. All right, so I let this cool a little bit, and this gets thick really quick, y'all. As it cools it. Oh, I need a walnut, a whole half a walnut on each cookie, Teresa.
Here we go.
Could you come nut them for me, please? Thank you. I may have to make some more of this. If we run out. Oh, yes. Okay, y'all. Aunt Ann's glazed walnut cookies. That the little lady that lived to be 99 years old, and she made this for Christmas for special holidays. Tell you what, she may still retain the crown with these. These are out of this world. You know how much we love caramel cake. This is a caramel cake cookie, y'all. You have to try it. But double the glaze recipe, because I like lots of glaze. So that would be my recommendation. But I tell you what, Vicki, I can't thank you enough for caring enough to share this recipe with us, because it is delicious. So love and best dishes, and y'all get started on those Christmas cookies because it's just around the corner. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.